nagbablog ka pa, wa? Say hi, guys.
Okay.
Oh, hello, guys. Papaganda po siya. Nangingiti. Yan.
Yehey! Masarap pa, be. Bigyan mo na nga ng eyeshadow, ate. Ano, you like it? Oh, you'll buy it. Show, guys. Ayan, bagay sa'yo.
Eyeshadow.
Sabi ni teacher, di ka prepared.
Close your eyes.
Zoe! Zoe! Zoe!
Look at your paper. Anything, look at your paper. RK, look at your paper.
Smile!
Anaya, you smile like playing.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, smile! Then, boys, boys!
Hey, Zoe.
Excuse me. Buda! Kamay niya.
Hold hands, hold hands!
Make that.
Look at each other.
Name of your toy? What's the name of your toy? Talk to Basta. What's the name of your toy? Show me. Yeah.
Zoe, yung kamay. Matatakpan yung pretty face.
Tapos yung paano?
Yan.
Nagaya na ako ng Sorry, then smile. Give your good smile. Then look at siya. Then show your thing while you're... Say.